Madlanga is messing up because remember they said that the key witnesses are to be hidden and they're not going to be talking straight up. They're going to be, hidden somewhere. We're only going to be hearing their voices. But now the problem is this guy with the glasses is asking witness F his code name. His code name is 007. And you can actually find out who this 007 is, because I know who it is, but I'm not going to mention it because I have to respect the witness because he doesn't want to be known. As well, journalists pass away all the time, and I'm not immune, I'm not bulletproof, so I cannot be exposing such secrets because people are getting assassinated out there. So yeah, man, you cannot ask a person what their code name is because it's easy to find out. And another thing as well is that witnesses, since they don't have their names, it's just witness F, it's very hard to connect the dots. It's very hard to know what's really going on because now you're just grasping at straws, because I'm struggling on my side to actually know what's going on, because they're saying that witness F was talking to Ket Matlala, they were having WhatsApp messages, witness F went somewhere to do 1, 2, 3. So like, how are we supposed to connect the dots? It's like, maybe let's take Bheki Cele was maybe he was hidden. They said maybe he's like witness G or something like that, and he was talking about, I slept at Ket Matlala's hotel, we exchanged names, we talked like this and that. How are we supposed to know it was him? We wouldn't know unless he actually told us that is actually Bheki Cele, right? So it's very hard to really connect the dots as to what's really going on if the witness is like witness F. Another thing as well, if the witness, we don't know his career. Is he a police officer? Is he a politician? A forensic investigator? A counselor? Like, you get what I mean? So if we don't even know his career, what he does, he's just witness F. How are we supposed to know where he connects to all this maze, all these webs? We won't really know what's really going on. So yeah, man, they need to maybe find another strategy, because even if they were to tell us his career, what he does, would actually know who it is, just like that. So now it's very hard. Maybe for this guy in the Madlanga Commission, they are connecting the dots because in their heads, they know who the witness is and they know witness F, what he does for a living. So on our side, we're like blindsided. We won't even know what's going on here. We're just watching Madlanga Commission, but we don't know what's going on. So like, yeah, man, safety for the witnesses, I guess. I don't even think they should broadcast this witness F, witness E's, because to us it's just confusing.